Okay, my name is Seth Parker, and my prompt was explain the use of fMRI brain imaging technology in investigating one cognitive process. This is a level 2 term, and therefore it'd be for a short answer question. To start off with, I would define the fMRI, what it stands for, which is functional magnetic resonance imaging. And so it is a neuroimaging technique using MRI technology to measure brain activity by detecting changes in blood flow specifically. From there, I'd want to pick a cognitive process. In my case, I chose language. However, there's many cognitive processes out there and many studies associated with them. Once I finished up the introduction, my first paragraph would be to pick a study. So in this case, I chose the 2006 Whole Invade meta-analysis of bilingualism because it relates to language. And in each study, you're going to want to reference the aim, what happened during it, and the results. And from there, what the results would mean for either fMRI, the process, or the future of the, say, biological level of analysis. Following that, I only have two main paragraphs. My second paragraph is more of an overall analysis of fMRI, so pros and cons. And I brought another study, Bennett 2010, which is an example of how fMRI was shown to have negative effects, just as a contrasting viewpoint from a different process. You want to make sure that you focus, though, on one cognitive process, and so I just used Bennett 2010 as a side study rather than talking about it in depth, which would ruin the prompt basis. Once I finish the pros and cons paragraph, the conclusion is short and sweet, and it could be expanded, but mostly you'd want to talk about the use of fMRI in your process and what the results would say. And in the sixth slide, there is 3 websites that are helpful places to study for those who feel like they need to catch up on any of the level of analysis or any prompt specific thing.